Hey everyone, today we're checking out my new large wall clock. This has a great outline of the globe here and you can use it in any room in your home. Let's check out more of the details. These are the extras you'll get. We get a second set of hands. There's a wall hanging plug if you choose, and of course instructions. For the back, you need one AA battery. That is not included. This has a hanging hole on the other side of the 12 up at the top, so we're going to utilize this. You can watch ever so slightly, and that center ring is turning, moving our larger hand dial. This is 25 inches tall and 25 inches wide. It features geographical latitude and longitude lines, continental plates, and Arabic numerals.